Edwin?
Perhaps before the first witness for the day takes his turn, we left the other time when we had made an application. You gave express instructions to council to ensure compliance. It was on the issue of logs. Track logs, I believe. We would wish to state that on behalf of those we're watching before, we made aware that those logs have not been provided. And we wish to bring this fact to the attention of the court, noting that court orders are not suggestions, they are orders. Perhaps the court may need to know why those logs have not been provided for, and all of us would need to know so that we could rest that issue. Then we get down to hearing of this one.
Yes, that was a request by the prosecution.
Yes, Your Honor, we returned the same. However, Your Honor,
Yes, Mr. Smith.
the IO presented a letter to us from KWS stating that the motor vehicles in question do not have a car track system. You know, we don't know how true or false that is. Perhaps maybe the IO can maybe shed more light to that. Is in court, is in open court.
You have the letter stating that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Callisto?
Your Honor, indeed, the said motor vehicles do not have car trackers, neither do they have speed governors. I would pray that during the site visit, the court also gets to appreciate the said vehicles and we have not in any way defied the court orders. At the opportune time, court will be able to inspect the vehicles.
And I believe the court can just give an order for the motor vehicles to be taken to the NTSA base for inspection, and the report can be tabled before court. Perhaps it can be done this week, so that by next week we can have a comprehensive report on the same.
You're not having raised that issue. I wouldn't know how Mr. Callisto would be giving evidence from the bar, as though it were matters that were of his own knowledge. He says he did those vehicles with so much certainty. Be that as it may, now that the prosecution has suggested a more plausible explanation, because not all of us are experts in handling motor vehicles and all that, so that we go and see for ourselves, an inspection report would be a more credible way of ascertaining this issue. And our view is that we do not take longer than today or even tomorrow to have these motor vehicles inspected, noting that counsel and generally his client are one. They are all from KWS. If we have the motor vehicles subjected to that inspection today or tomorrow, we think that it will serve the ends of justice in that regard. We humbly pray.
Your Honor, as you conclude, and if you permit me, I support what Mr. Smith has requested for, that these vehicles be taken to National Transport and Safety Authority for inspection and a report to issue on the car tracking systems, speed governor. In addition to that, we request on behalf of the Law Society of Kenya and the family that we also be permitted, when they take these vehicles, we also have our experts who are knowledgeable on matters of car trackers and speed governors, so that they are also able to make their own observations and, if necessary, make their reports to court within a circumscribed time.
Yes, anyone any name to plot?
Yes, I have a person. I have an expert that I can that would want to represent us. Your Honor, this is Bernard Ayora. This should represent us the parties representing the family and the other interested parties.
Yes, thank you. Motor vehicle KCK 869U and motor vehicle KAL 131U be taken to the Nakuru NPSA inspection unit on the 15th of July 2025 under the escort of the investigating officer and a representative of LSK, that is Bernard Ayora, and the inspection report be made available to the IO for onward transmission to the prosecution. That is in order. We now proceed.